Look at her.
I like him.
Tiffy, what are you doing? Are you licking the footies? Did your toenails get cut today? They look nice and short.
Oh, are you sweetheart?
Tiffy, oh, look at those nice looking toenails. She's looking in between that one pretty intently. Tiffy. Tiffany, stop it. Oh, wow. She's got that one licked pretty good.
Yeah, Woody.
Tiffus.
No. Tiffany, no.
Stop her. Oh, you got it all wet.
You're a stinker. That's a clock.
You look mad with that haircut. Stop her.
Hey. Stop licky. No. Lick daddy instead.
You look like you're mad with that new haircut.
Lick daddy instead. Your favorite thing to do.
Get a snowball.